everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to do an easy tutorial to show you guys how you can add a simple texture to your drawings in Photoshop. So if you look over here, you'll notice this texture on her sweater. So I'm going to show you how you can easily add something similar to your own drawings. So I went ahead and started a new layer up above this one, and I already have this saved in one of my folders, so I'm just going to File, Place, which will open up my folder here, and then I'm going to click this one right here, my screen tone. So once you place it on your image, depending how big the file is that you have saved, it may open up smaller, it may open up and be humongous, but in this case this is really small, so you're just going to scale it up. That. Then you're going to click the little check mark up on the top here. Okay, so now I'm going to lower the opacity so I can kind of see through it, and then I'm just going to click on it, and it's going to say this is a smart object and it must be rasterized before proceeding. Edit contents will no longer be available. Rasterize a smart object. So you're going to click yes or OK, and this is going to allow you to be able to now edit this. You can now erase it, whereas before it wouldn't let you. So I'm just going to erase around this. So you basically just want to keep the area that you want to have the texture and erase anything else where it's overlapping it. Okay, we're almost done. And I actually just found this texture online for free, and you can find a lot of really great Photoshop textures online. Just save them to your computer. Okay, so now that I've got that erased, I'm going to show you two different things here. So if you notice on my screen tone, I went up over here to the opacity, and that allowed me to dim it down so you could actually see the line art below it. But the problem with that is it covers up your line art. So you just want to take this layer and move it below your layer that has your line art. See, this layer right here had my line art on it. So now that this layer is below it, it will show up. But there's another thing you can do as well. I'm going to move this back up to the top. Now you're going to see up here this little box that says normal. Click on that and go down to the option that says overlay. That will actually just go right on top of the image and actually just enhances it, but you can still see your line art. So there's two different ways, that way and then the first way I showed you, and it just depends on if you like it to be brighter or if you like the more faded look. I'll show you one more time. This is the more faded look, and you just go right up here and put it on normal. So two different ways of adding a texture in Photoshop, pretty easy, and there's so many different textures you can add, and it's super fun, and it really just spices up your drawing. So hope you guys found that helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you'll come back. Hope you have a great week. Bye guys!